Okay, good afternoon, children. Let us revise the shed. Shed, it's a conversation between elder brother and younger brother. Elder brother need a place, a private place, or little bit privacy. So what he did, he just decided to use a shed which was near the garden area and somewhere outside the house. So what he told his younger brother that, see, there is a spider in the main door. Okay, so don't even dare to go inside, right? And then what he told that there are 3 window panes, all 3 are broken. And you know what happens there? Somebody is peeping from there. That means when younger brother tries to go inside, he feels that somebody is there and somebody is peeping. And now this younger brother is afraid and curious both. He is afraid, he can't go right now. He always says that yes, I want to go inside and see what is there, but not now, sometime later, because he is afraid. That's why he is not ready to go, and he is curious, and so he says that okay, sometime later I will go and peep inside. And then what he told that, see, if you dare to step inside, what will happen? There is a rotten floorboard, and what will happen there? Ghost will jump out from there and chop off your head. Okay, so will chop off your head. So don't even dare to go inside. And now this younger brother knows that elder brother wants to keep that shed for his den. Den means for keeping his private things there. That's why he's telling lie. So younger brother says that okay, anyway now there is no spider and no hinges are having a creaking sound or rusted, it is not even rusted there. Simply elder brother wants to keep that place, and that's why he is giving excuses, and there is no ghost at all. So he decided, and nobody is peeping also from inside, so he decided to go inside, but not now, somewhere in the later. Okay, thank you.